and the general did not follow my order, then who would be in the wrong? The general or myself? Hmm?
You?
Exactly. I have the right to request obedience because my orders are reasonable.
Then my sunset?
Ah, you shall have your sunset. I shall command it. But according to my science of government, we go and we're all...
Hello? What are you doing?
I'm drinking.
Why are you drinking?
I'm drinking so that I may forget.
Forget what?
Forget that I am ashamed.
Ashamed of what?
Ashamed that I am drinking.
These grown-ups are certainly very, very strange.
I couldn't tell you that either.
Oh, but you are a geographer.
Exactly. I am a geographer, but I am not an explorer. A geographer is much too important to go